Okay, we were taking another integral. This one's from the JEE Main 2002. We have the integral from 0 to square root of 2 of the floor of x squared dx. Okay, this one should go pretty quick. We just need to deal with the floor function, and it's not too bad because we're starting at 0. The upper bound, square root of 2, that's something like 1.414. Now, one thing you could do with this is you could do a u substitution to simplify what's inside here. Like you could do u equal to x squared, then you can just break it up on integer bounds. I'm thinking in this case it's pretty straightforward because we've got such a low number here for the upper bound. Clearly, like we have 1 somewhere in between 0 and square root of 2. So what I'm going to do is break this up and have the first integral go from 0 to 1. And then my second integral is going to cover the rest of it. We're going to go from 1 to square root of 2. And then what you can do is take values here between 0 and 1 for this first integral. So all of our x values are in this region. If you plug it in here, values between 0 and 1, when you square them, they're never going to reach 1. The floor is going to round us down to the next highest integer. So in every case, you could try different values. The floor is always going to round us down to 0. And of course, if this integral is just 0, the whole value is 0, and we can just ignore this part altogether. So now for this second one, we're just evaluating, we want x values between 1 and square root of 2, again, like 1.414. Now, when you square these x values, x is never going to quite reach square root of 2 because technically at square root of 2, you square it, you get a 2. But really, for an integral, all the values are going to be between 1 and square root of 2. You square it, everything's going to get rounded down to 1. So really, we're just integrating 1 here. And then, of course, this is the easiest integral in the world, so we'll just integrate it. Integral of this is just going to be x evaluated from 1 to square root of 2. Plugging in for my final solution of this, we just have square root of 2 minus 1. Okay, there you have it. Quick and easy one from JEE Main 2002. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.